Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. The JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker is a powerhouse of a speaker at a great price. The speaker features clear, rich bass, 20 hours of audio playback, is IPX7 waterproof, and can also pull double duty as a spare battery for your smart devices. However, for all that it does well, the JBL Charge 4 isn't immune to the occasional software hiccup. If you run into problems with your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker, you can quickly restore the device to its default factory settings and start with a clean slate. The only real impact to you is that you'll need to repair any Bluetooth devices you want to use with the JBL speaker. Additionally, because resetting the JBL Charge 4 default factory settings forgets all existing paired devices, this is also a great way to kick people off of your speaker who you no longer want connected. Now let's walk through the steps to restore your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. Step 1. Press the power button located on the top center part of your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. The speaker will be powered on when the LED backlight under the power button is lit. Step 2. Hold down the Bluetooth and volume up buttons at the same time for roughly 3 seconds. The volume up button looks like a plus sign. Additionally, it's important to hold down the Bluetooth button in the center of the device next to the power button, as it's easier to hold down. After 3 seconds, the LED ring around the power and Bluetooth buttons will briefly light up before the JBL Charge 4 powers down. Step 3. Press the power button again to turn the JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker back on. The Charge 4 will instantly turn on in discovery mode with the Bluetooth LED blinking on and off and the speaker making a pinging sound. This confirms that you've successfully reset your JBL Charge 4 to its default factory settings. You'll need to pair or repair any devices you want to play audio through the JBL Charge 4 speakers with the device, or connect the device to your Charge 4 using a 3.5mm audio cable. My video on how to pair Bluetooth devices with your JBL Charge 4 is linked in the video description. Congratulations, you've successfully reset the default factory settings on your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.